Hey y'all, and welcome to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. So it is Easter and I am ready to have something citrusy since it is spring. So I have decided to make a no-bake lemon icebox pie. You don't want to miss out, y'all, because this is so easy and so simple, and it is delicious, y'all. So stick around if you don't want to miss out. Okay, y'all, so first thing you're gonna need is an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. You'll put that in your bowl. And now you're gonna need 1 can of Eagles brand sweetened condensed milk. 1 full can. So you're gonna pour that in there. Okay. Then we have a 1/2 cup of fresh squeezed lemons. So we're gonna put the lemon juice in here also. And now what we wanna do is get some of the outside of this lemon inside of there. Okay, so now what you wanna do is try to get all of this lemon off the bottom of your grater. Sorry about my dog. She sees other dogs and thinks that she can be the big dog and bark at all of them. So now what you want to do is you want to take your hand mixer and just mix away and let it until it mixes all together, and then we're just going to put it in our pie shell. Woo. Now you'll want to start it on low and possibly leave it on low for the duration of mixing. Okay, y'all, so now that our batter is completely mixed, we're going to set this over to the side. And I have a pre-made graham cracker pie shell right here. And we're just gonna pour that in there as evenly as we can. Okay, so we're just gonna spread it out. Now the reason why it looks clumpy is because of the lemon rind that we put in our pie. So now all you do is you just cover this up and put it in your refrigerator for around 4 to 6 hours, or until it's set enough to where you can actually cut through it. Okay, y'all, so our no-bake lemon icebox pie has been in the refrigerator overnight. I decided to leave it in there overnight because I just think it would set up a little bit better, but you can serve it up whenever you are ready. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are gonna garnish the top of our pie here. So I have some extra creamy Ready Whip, and I'm just gonna make 1 big dollop in the middle there. And I'm gonna grab a sliced lemon. I'm gonna grab a sliced lemon here, and I'm just gonna put that right there in the middle, just like that. See if you can see that. Just like that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some little dollops on each pie slice. Okay, so now we're gonna get some little slices of lemon here, and I'm just gonna lay them right in the middle of that dollop of whipped cream there. And it doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. Y'all can just lay them on there if you want. Or you don't even have to add them at all. That's your choice. There. So here is our no-bake lemon icebox pie. Doesn't that look good? Okay, so I will be back in a minute when it is time to try out this pie. Back in a minute, y'all. Well, y'all, it is taste test time, and I am so ready to eat this lemon pie. I have been waiting on this for a while, and I am ready to eat it now. Okay, let's try this out, y'all. It is so creamy. Mmm. Ooh, that is so good. So light and fluffy and creamy. It is so good, y'all. This pie is perfect for your springtime meals, or really any time of the year that you want to make a citrusy dessert. I hope you enjoyed this episode on how do you cook back to basics. And if you did, please hit that thumbs up button, and please do consider subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Till next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.